Good morning. I'm back with another book unboxing. A new subscription. But I skipped one so I could try this one out. And I like it. And then my book of the month. Which there's an oopsie on it. So the new one I tried is Allure. Is that it? Allure. Yeah. So let's see. So I got a hat. I have a secret. I don't wear many hats, but I think it'll work. Don't you? Okay, then, so there's the book. Ooh, and there's other goodies. So, here's the bookmark. And it matches the book. And then we get stickers. I love stickers. Okay, so I love it. I love it. Okay, so I got The Wolf King by Lauren, however you say that. Yeah. So, gorgeous. Oh, what does it say? I want to mark you as mine, and I can think of countless ways I would do it. Countless ill-advised, highly pleasurable ways I would do it. So, here's the inside of the cover. There is the outside. Nothing, oh, wait, no. Is that and the year right there. And then, let's see. Oh, yes. Let's see. I forget, do they do the signature? No, they don't. But this is gorgeous. And I listened to The Wolf King, and I wanted a copy. So when I saw this one, it's like, yes, please. Yes. And for trying it out, I got it at a special price. Yeah. So with them, I got the bookmark that matches, and I love that. And I got stickers. It's a win-win. It is definitely a win-win. That could go in there. So that's the new box that I tried out. Now, on Book of the Month, I saw their selections for December. And I knew I wanted one certain book. And so I placed the order, and it was a special copy. And later on in the day, I went to see what Fairy Loops was. It was the same book. So I skipped. But I got two books this time from Book of the Month. And I got the wrapping paper. this order too. But I didn't get my tote. I don't know why. But this was my add-on book. The Haunting of Payne's Hollow. I'm going to read it today. It sounds so good. I'm going to read it today. Today might be a reading day. And then, this is the one I picked for December. We Who Will Die. Survived the arena, saved my brothers, killed the emperor. 2 vampires stand between me and my mission. One who shattered my heart and one who torments me at court. Let the games begin. Now, beautiful edges, right? The cover is gorgeous. Then I opened it up. Oh, there's my bookmark. And it's upside down. Yeah, see, upside down. So I thought, oh, maybe they just put the cover on and off. No. It's upside down because that should be on the front. And it's upside down. And is it not only upside down? I don't want to get the last page. It's also printed backwards. So, yeah. Yeah. I have turned it in, and I should be getting a new one. That's printed correctly. And then I got my BFF bookmark. But I didn't get my tote. And then this one. If this was not a special edition, I would not have, I would have told them and then told them, you know, don't worry about it. But it's a special edition. I didn't pay a lot extra for the special edition, but I did pay a little bit extra. And I wanted the special edition, and I want it done right. Not backwards and upside down. But, I mean, it is gorgeous. The end covers, which are the same. And I can't wait to read it. This was an early release, too. I don't think this book releases to the end of December, so this week I want to read it. I'm also trying to read all 15 of my books for the year, and I need 2. So The Haunting of Payne's Hollow and We Who Will Die will be 2. Will be the last 2 that I need. I wish it wasn't messed up. But anyway, I hope everyone has a blessed day. And I will see you next time.